Hello, Citonians! This is Michelle and I'm going to show you different recipes of a canapé. But first, let me tell you what a canapé is. Canapé is an appetizer that you can prepare in any event. How are you going to make an appetizer? You should have a base, spread, and a garnish. Now let's start to make different recipes of canapé. Before starting, wear your apron and tie your hair. Ready all the needed ingredients beforehand. For the canapé I'm going to prepare, I will be using cracker as the base. Let's start with a tuna canapé. In a bowl, put the tuna, add mayonnaise, and mix well. Now you're ready to put this on top of your base. Get the cracker and put a small amount of tuna and mayonnaise on top of it. Then finish by putting cucumber as the garnish. Let's have tuna and cheese canapé. Using the same tuna you prepared, put a small amount of it on top of the cracker. Add smaller pieces of cucumber. Then garnish with a shredded cheese. Next, let's have the pizza canapé. Put a small amount of pizza sauce on the cracker. Add ham and pineapple bits. And finish by adding cheese on top. Let's have the chicken canapé. In a bowl, put the cooked chicken meat shredded. Then add mayonnaise. Put salt and pepper to taste. And mix well. Put a small amount of the chicken mixture on top of the cracker. Then, garnish it with onion chives. Next, we have the egg and ham canapé. On top of the cracker, put a small amount of mayonnaise. Add the egg and ham. Lastly, egg and cheese canapé. Cut the egg into smaller pieces. Then add a small amount of mayonnaise. Then put this on top of the cracker. finish with grated cheese. Here are now the 6 different recipes of canapé. They are very simple and easy to prepare. All you need to have are the readily available ingredients at home. Enjoy!